Accommodation is a very useful word for travel and daily living. Knowing it helps you talk about places where you stay or live. Accommodation means a place to live, stay, or work temporarily, like a hotel or an apartment. A common mistake is confusing accommodation with accommodate or thinking it only means help. But here, it mainly means a place to stay. We say find accommodation, book accommodation, or temporary accommodation. You can also say accommodation for students or holiday accommodation. She booked accommodation near the beach. The hotel offers excellent accommodation. We need accommodation for our trip. Student accommodation is often affordable. When I arrived in a new city, I felt tired and worried. Luckily, I found good accommodation quickly, and I felt safe and happy. Think of accommodation as a cool station to rest and stay when traveling. Now you know accommodation. Try to use it when talking about travel or homes. See you next time.